Good morning, grade 2 students. Welcome back to our class. How are you today? I hope that you are fine. Now, are you ready for your class today? That's great. Now, let's begin. Please prepare the following materials like your pencil, your reader's and writer's notebook, and your copybook. Do you have it now? Great. Now, here are the objectives. First, define what pronouns are. Next, understand the usage of pronouns. Let us begin with a short review using I and me. So please get your copybook and your pencil. So here you will write I or me to complete each sentence. Is it clear? Okay, let's start with number 1. Sam and blank got wet. Number 2. Dad saw Spot and blank. Number 3. Blank say Sam is a good dog. Then answering? Great. Now let us check your answers. So in number 1, the answer is the pronoun I. So we use it as our subject pronoun. Number 2, because of the action word saw, we use the pronoun me. Then last, the pronoun I, because we use that as our subject in a sentence. Did you get the correct answers? Very good. Now let us move on to your new lesson. So we have different kinds of pronouns. Since we tackled about pronouns, for sure you remember what is the usage of pronoun, right? So pronouns take the place of a noun or multiple nouns. The pronouns I, he, she, we, and they are used as a subject of a sentences, while the pronouns me, him, her, us, and them are used after action verbs, while the pronoun you and it can be used anywhere in a sentence. Now let us try to use the different kinds of pronouns. So I have here a sentence. Maurice has cheese. He shares it. Now where is the pronoun here? Very good. The pronoun is he. We use that as our pronoun and as a subject of a sentence. It replaced the name of Maurice. How about the other pronoun? Very good. We have it as our pronoun. It replaced the noun cheese. Is it clear? So we have he to replace Maurice and it to replace the noun cheese. Now let us have the second one. Maurice met Doris. Maurice showed her the cheese. Now let us find out where is the pronoun here. Very good. We use the pronoun her. So that is the answer. So we used her to replace the name of Doris. Did you get it? Very good. Now let us have the last sentence. You will choose between the words them and they. Morris also gave Horace and Boris cheese. Now what pronoun are we going to use to replace these two names? Please try to answer. Now let us check. Morris also gave them cheese. So our pronoun is the word them. Very good. So we use them to replace two nouns in this sentence. Did you understand? Great. Now, get your readers and writers notebook and turn on page 427. Did you find the page? Very good. Now let us try your activity. In here, you're going to underline the pronoun in the parentheses that can take the place of the underlined word or words. Ready? Number 1. Where did you get cheese? Doris asked. The underlined word is Doris. Now choose your answer. Number 2. I bought the cheese, Morris said. The underlined words are the cheese. Number 3. Morris also gave Horace and Boris cheese. The words are Horace and Boris. Number 4. Horace, Boris, and Doris thanked Morris. Now what's the answer? Number 5. My friends are welcome, said Morris. So choose your answer. Are you done? Now let us check the answers. In number 1, we have Doris as our noun. So what are we going to use? Very good. We use she. Did you get the correct answer too? Very good. Now let's move on. Number 2, we have the cheese. So cheese is a thing. So we use it. Is it clear? Now number 3. Horace and Boris. So, what pronoun are we going to use? Them. That's the correct answer. We cannot use her because we are using here two nouns, Horace and Boris, right? Number 4. So, this is our subject. Horace, Boris, and Doris. So we have the pronoun they. Very good. Now, last number 5. My friends are welcome, said Morris. So here, you can use the pronoun you. Did you understand? Very good. Now, let us summarize the lesson. Again, these pronouns take the place of a noun or multiple nouns. They are professionals. They can easily change or replace the place of a noun in a sentence. Again, the pronouns I, he, she, we, and they are used as a subject of a sentence. we use it in the beginning of the sentence, while the pronouns me, him, her, us, and them, we use that after the action verbs. Lastly, the pronouns you and it can be used anywhere in the sentence. Is it clear? Very good. Now, here is your homework. On your Readers and Writers notebook, you have to do the page 432. Is it clear? So here is on page 432. Hope that you will do your homework because we are going to check that next week. Is it clear? Nice. So thank you for listening today. I hope that you learned something about pronouns. See you soon, grade 2 students. Bye-bye for now.